Hi there, I'm Maus from Beat Valhalla, and I want to give my review about Imran. I had a great time working with Imran. He's always available, always working. It seems like I can text him, and another 10 minutes later, he's always responding quickly. And that's what I like the most about Imran. His communication is really good. I've worked with a lot of developers, but Imran is certainly the best developer I worked with. Besides his communication, his development skills is really good. He helped me with a lot of stuff I couldn't do myself. So um, it was really good to work with Imran, and I would love to work more with him. And I would highly recommend him to work with you at your projects. He's a great guy. He's responsive. He always seems to be respond just in time, and his communication is really good. And normally I have the issue with developers, their English is not that good, and then the result isn't that good either. So I want to give props to Imran because his English is really good, and that helps a lot with working on projects. And yeah, I would just highly recommend him to work with you. Thanks.